I just started recording, man. Look what it is, man. I can't even zoom all the way in, but it's he hit the gas. It's kind of loud, too. No cap. That bit kind of loud, man. I know the wind blowing. Hold on. I know the wind blowing. My bad. I don't know if they're going to get posted or not. They might get added. But it's a Hemi behind me. Challenger. There's a Camaro SS in front of me. 10-speed. That bit clean, too, huh? Get my thumbnail, boy. I get my thumbnail, boy. I think you want to line it up. Oh, but it been pro-tar. What the fuck? Pro charger on that vid. What the fuck? Oh, that nigga got a pro charger on that vid. Bro, this nigga, bro. I don't even know if y'all heard that car crew, but I heard that done loud and clear, cuz. He hit it and let it spool up, bro. What the fuck? I knew that bit was loud for a reason, bro. That bit pro charge. That man got a pro charge 10-speed, cuz. That's crazy. He threw it the deuces and said, just go. Ooh, scared of you. Scared of him, boy. I'm scared of him, boy. That boy got that. Hey, boy. Boy, that boy got that. Car, you got that pro. I'm trying to get him to. Dang, I'm trying to get beside him, bro, so y'all can hear that bit. I gotta get the thumbnail, cuz. Let me get my thumbnail, bro. Hey, that bitch sound good. Hit that bitch. Yes, sir. Window down on the highway, it raining, where it wet outside. Hey, cuz got a pro charge, and then I got a Range Rover behind me going crazy. Cuz got a pro charge. That's crazy. I want y'all to hear it, cuz. Dang, I want y'all to hear it. Man, that bitch got a pro, bro. Been going crazy. That been hard. Hey, cuz got a pro charge. Hey, that's crazy. Pro charge 10-speed. I'm scared of you, boy. I'm scared of him. I ain't gonna lie. I'm scared of cuz. Damn, my face cold. Now that wind blow. Just for y'all, bro. Man, car crew, bro, I can't even talk. That was crazy, man. Unexpected. But I just picked the camera up because I had to, bro. They probably can get added to something else. Or they maybe it's too short, you know what I'm saying, the post, bro. I could, you know what I'm saying. I'm dropping all bang, just dropping videos, man. On the road to 10K. Get the boy to 10K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? But hey, cuz got a pro charge 10-speed. I'm scared of cuz, bro. With a paper tag on that bitch. He must have bought that bitch like that. Either way, bro, that be a pro charge. Woo. That be running. That be running. I ain't gonna lie. That be running. He was playing with that bit. But yeah, car crew, man. This gonna be a wrap for today's vlog, this vlog, you know what I'm saying? Make it added. I'm probably gonna add it into another one, man, and I'll do another POV, you know what I'm saying, on some more some more slight stuff, man, with just me and my lonesome. But hey, y'all let me know what y'all think about that 10-speed, man, Pro Charge 10-speed SS, man. Y'all let me know down in the comment what y'all think. But hey, man, also Cari Crew, man, if y'all want to comment down below, man, what kind of video y'all like to see. I know y'all said, you know what I'm saying, cutting up with other Mopars. You know what I'm saying? Do y'all want to see any road races? You know what I'm saying? POV races? Like, let me know what's up, man. I'm trying to get these boys. I've been trying to get folks to get active with me, man. We can grow up. We can glow up together on the tube, man. But folks don't, you know, well, I got a few, but the ones that really be having the whips and everybody always be asking, you know what I'm saying, by me doing this, doing that, getting stuff together, folks don't, excuse my friend, but folks don't fuck with me, you know what I'm saying? They're just putting it straight like that. They don't fuck with me yet, you know? And I ain't no, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to sound sap or nothing. I'm just being real. Folks don't fuck with me yet. But hey, man, when I get past 10K, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how Olivia sound with the windows up. You know, we don't do POV with the windows up, man. But, yeah, Cari Crew, man. Y'all, folks don't fuck with me like that right now. You know what I'm saying? Again, excuse my friend, but hey, just being real, keep it in the 100. They don't rock with me yet, but they will, you know what I'm saying? Everybody sleep right now. They gonna get woke. They gonna get woke real soon, you know what I'm saying? And hey, rather be late than never, you know what I'm saying? Late than never, you feel me? But hey, that's all love, Cari Crew. At the end of the day, I do this stuff out of the love, man. I don't even like, folks don't understand, bro. I got so much behind this, you know what I'm saying? Once I get to a certain point, Cari Crew, bro, they got another 10-speed. Y'all think you wanna do something? Y'all think you wanna do something? What y'all think you wanna do? He ain't talking about nothing, window crack. He wasn't talking about nothing. He wasn't talking about nothing. He wasn't talking about nothing, Cari Crew. But yeah, Cari Crew, like I was saying, man, folks ain't rocking with your boy yet, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying? I'm not mad or nothing, cause you know you gotta start from somewhere, you feel me? But hey, just know when I get there, I'm gonna be there. And when I'm there, hey, just watch. Sit back and watch, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I was saying though, Cari Crew, man, let me know down below what kind of video y'all would like to see. If y'all want to see some POV races, you know what I'm saying, with the head mount, all that good stuff, man, or without the head mount, you know what I'm saying, like how I was doing on the road with bro, you know, just trying to cut up with him. You know what I'm saying, slight little cut up action, man. Crazy how I caught that fresh on the highway, you know what I'm saying? I just like literally got on the highway and I just heard bro hit it a little bit. I already seen the Hemi Challenger, the yellow one, and then he just came out of nowhere and his jump was screaming because he barely hit the gas a little bit. I was like, oh yeah, he got headers or something, some boost, something. I wasn't expecting Pro Charger though, because he had paper tag. I was thinking like probably had a little headers, you know what I'm saying? But hey man, I don't even know what to say, Cari Crew, but I'm just driving and thinking right now. But yeah, man, like I was saying, comment down below what kind of video y'all would like to see, man. If y'all want to see some races or y'all want to see like Scat Pack on Scat Pack action, you know what I'm saying? Mustang versus Scat, Chevy versus Scat, Hellcat versus Scat, whatever, man. Trackhawk, whatever it is, man. Y'all let me know down below in the comments, man. I'm gonna try to make that happen the best I can. If not, if I can't get the exact car y'all want, I'm gonna make the race happen regardless. You feel me? But anyway, Cari Crew, I'm finna get some gas because I need some. Y'all can see. Need some gas, but hey man, I guess this is gonna be long enough for at least a quick video, but yeah. But anyway, like I was saying, man, leave a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe if you're new, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, Cari Crew. And like I say, not the end of my videos, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari Crew. You can touch it. Believe in yourself, man, and stop being so easily, you know what I'm saying, broken or easily let down or whatever like that. Stop being so weak, you know what I'm saying? Just being real. People don't like harsh or straight blunt advice, but that's the best advice to get, you know what I'm saying? Cause that's how you know they not lying to you. You know what I'm saying? You don't want that sugar coated, you know what I'm saying? You don't want none of that. But yeah, I'm gonna unplug this. But yeah, man, like I was saying, Cari Crew, that'll be a wrap for this video. Like I said before, I keep repeating myself, but like I also said, man, make sure y'all comment and let me know down below what y'all would like to see, Cari Crew. And also, like I also say, for all my religious folks, you got, dang, I always do that, bro. Every time I'm finna say that part, Cari Crew, I try to say the same thing I just said about, like, The first part I just told y'all, I said at the end of my video, I gotta stop doing that. But y'all gonna see that this time, 'cause I ain't editing this video. But like I say, man, for all my religious folks, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? Build a relationship with him, spend time with him. Let him know you're thankful for everything you got and don't have, man, and be grateful for what you do got, you know what I'm saying? And be patient. Patience is key. It sounds so simple to say, but, bro, patience go a long way. That's why I call it patience for a reason, you feel me? It go a long way. But yeah, Car Crew. And also, man, like I said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.